Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board exercise 3.11 algebra chapter. Solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. We already seen the completing square method. Now we move on to the formula method. Second subdivision, root 2 f square minus 6f plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. First you write down the formula. If it is f means you can mention as f equal to. If it is x means you can mention as x equal to. Okay, f equal to, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is the value of a here? Root 2. Value of a equal to root 2. Value of b equal to minus 6. You can take along with the sign. Value of c equal to 3 root 2. Value of a equal to root 2. Value of b equal to minus 6. Value of c equal to 3 root 2. Now you substitute f equal to. F equal to minus b, minus of minus 6. See, minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of, plus or minus root of b square. B square means minus 6 the whole square. B square means minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a root 2. A value is root 2. What is the c value? 3 root 2. C value is 3 root 2. C minus b. Minus b is 6. Minus 6. B square value is minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into a value is root 2 and c value is 3 root 2 by whole divided by 2 into what is the a value? 2 into root 2. So f equal to minus into minus become plus 6 plus or minus root of 36. Root of 36 minus 4 into 3 into root 2 into root 2 become 2. Root 2 into root 2 become 2 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. See, f equal to 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 into 3 into 2 by 2 root 2. Therefore, f equal to 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 by 2 root 2. 24 by 2 root 2. F equal to 6 plus or minus root of 6 plus or minus root of 12. 36 minus 24 is 12. 2 root 2. F equal to 6 plus or minus root of, that 12 means 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 by 2 root 2. 4 3s are 12 by 2 root 2. F equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3. I will take it 4 from the root. So 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. So f equal to 2 is common. Okay, so multiple of 2. I can take it out. What is the remaining thing left out? 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2 root 2. 2 get cancelled. What is the solution set here? Solution set is f equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 comma 3 plus root 3 by root 2 comma 3 minus root 3 by root 2. 3 minus root 3 by root 2. See, 3y square minus 20y minus 23 equal to 0. The same thing you will write. What is the value of a here? 3. B value equal to minus 20. C value equal to minus 23. What is the formula? Y equal to, if Y means you can write Y, F means you can write F, X means you can write X. Y equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A, by 2A. So Y equal to minus B. Minus B means minus into minus 20, minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 20 the whole square, minus 20 the whole square, minus 4 into A value is 3, C value is minus 23. C value is minus 23 by whole divided by 2 into what is the value of A? A value is 3. Whole divided by 2 into 3. So Y equal to minus into minus become plus 20 plus or minus root of 400. Root of 400. 4 3s are 12. Minus into minus become plus 12 23s are 276. 12 23s are by 6. So Y equal to 20 plus or minus root of 400 plus 276, nothing but what? 676 by 6. 676 by 6. See, Y equal to 20 plus or minus root of 676 value is 26. Root of 676 is 26 by 6. 26 by 6. So you separate the equation 20 plus 26 by 6. You separate the values, not equation. You separate the values. 20 plus 26 by 6. Y equal to 20 minus 26 by 6. 20 minus 26 by 6. See here. Y equal to 46 by 6 comma Y equal to minus 6 by 6. Y equal to minus 6 by 6. When we cancel, Y equal to 23. 23 3 2s are 6. So Y equal to 23 by 3. Y equal to minus 1. So what is the solution set? What is the solution set? Y equal to 23 by 3 comma minus 1. 23 by 3 comma minus 1 is the solution set. See, fourth subdivision, 36x square minus 12ay plus a square minus b square equal to 0. What is the value of A? A equal to 36. What is the value of B? B equal to minus 12a. You leave that y term, that is the coefficient of y, you can take it as a b term, and coefficient of y square. This is nothing but a formula of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, quadratic equation. Okay. See, y square coefficient you can take it as a, and y coefficient you can take it as b. So you can take along with the sign also. C equal to a square minus b square. What is the formula here? Y equal to, y means you can mention as y. Y equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. See children, minus b. Y equal to minus b. What is the value of b here? Minus 12a. B value is minus 12a plus or minus root of b square minus 12a the whole square. B square minus 12a the whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 36. What is the value of C? A square minus B square whole divided by 2 into what is the value of A? 36. So y equal to minus into minus become plus 12a plus or minus root of 12a square. What is the square of 12? 144. 144a square minus 36 fours are 144. 144 into a square minus b square by 36 twos are 72. 36 twos are 72. See, y equal to 12a plus or minus root of 144a square. You bring that minus 144 inside, it gives minus 144a square. Minus 144a square minus into minus become plus. So plus 144b square plus 144b square whole divided by 72. Whole divided by 72. 144a square minus 144a square get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? Y equal to 12a plus or minus root of 144b square by 72. Y equal to 12a plus or minus 144. Root of 144 value is 12. Root of b square value is b by 72. Y equal to 12, you can take it as commonly out, a plus or minus b by 72. 12 ones are 12 6 are. Y equal to a plus or minus b by 6. A plus or minus b by 6. What is the solution set? What is the solution set? Y equal to a plus b by 6. Y equal to a plus b by 6. Y equal to a minus b by 6. Y equal to a plus b by 6 and y equal to a minus b by 6 is the solution set. See, a ball rolls down a slope and travels if you throw the ball is rolls round the slope and travels a distance dt. The ball travels a distance dt equal to t square minus 0.75 t feet in t seconds. Find the time when the distance travelled by the ball is 11.25 feet. Generally, you are playing on the ground. If you throw the ball, if it is fell down also, the ball is going under the slope. See here, that distance they have told us dt. dt equal to t square minus 0.75 t. But you should find out the value, that is the distance travelled by the ball is 11.25 feet. So the dt distance value they have given us what? 11.25 feet. Okay. So t square minus 0.75 t equal to 11.25 t square minus 0.75 t minus 11.25 equal to 0. It is in a decimal. So you will multiply by 100, you are getting a whole number. See here, multiply by 100, all the values you have multiplied by 100. What is the value you are getting? 100 t square. 100 t square minus 0.75 into 100 t, okay, minus 11.25 into 100 equal to 0. So 100 t square minus 75t, the decimal will come this side, minus 75t minus 1125, the decimal, equal to 0. Now we are going to use that here formula method, t equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So you can use the quadratic form, a equal to 100 by formula method, b equal to minus 75, b equal to minus 75, c equal to minus 1125, c equal to minus 1125. So t equal to minus b minus of minus 75, minus of minus 75 plus or minus root of minus 75 the whole square, minus 75 the whole square, that is b square minus 4ac, minus 4a. What is the value of a? 100. What is the value of c? Minus 1125. What is the value of c? Minus 1125 by 2a. 2 into 100. 2a, 2 into 100. T equal to 75 plus or minus root of 75 square. You can calculate 75 square equal to 5625 plus 400 into 1125, it's nothing but what? 45,000. 4,50,000. 4,50,000 by 2 into 100 is 200. You will multiply and check the answer. You will multiply and check the answer for this. 75 plus or minus root of 5625 plus to 4,50,000 by 200. See, t equal to 75 plus or minus root of 455,625 by 200. By 200, you should find out the square root of this number. Square root of this number. See here, you can do it in a rough work column. Square root, how we can find out the square root of this number? 455,625. 455,625. See, you can separate two terms. See here, 25, 56 and 45. See first two term, you can see this number 45. 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. So you will write 6 6 are 36. You should find out the square root, you can use this method. 6 6 are 36. 45 minus 36, what is the answer? 9. So you bring it down. 56, you bring it down. You multiply this number by 2. So what is the answer you are getting? 6 2s are 12. So you will put 1 dash. See here, I will write it here. 127s are, you whatever number you can choose here, you can put the same number here. So 112, you will do it as 112, 6 into 6. 126 into 6, 125 into 5, 128 into 8 also. So 127 into 7, what is the answer you are getting? 7 7s are 49, balance 4, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 8, 18, that is 14 plus 4, 18, 7 1s are 7, plus 1, 8, so 889, 889, subtract the value. 889, subtract the value, you bring the 25 down, you bring that 25 down, 16 9s are 60, what is the answer you are getting? You put 7 here, you are also 7, 127, 7s are 889, so what is the value for here? 16 9s are, it gives the value 7. 16 9s are 7, balance 4, 14 8s are, 14 8s are 6, you bring 25 down, 6 7 2 5, Again, see here this number. You multiply 7 by 2. 7 2s are 14. See here. 7 2s are 14. 127. This number alone you will multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 means 120. What is the value we are getting? 14. 134. 14. 7 2s are 14. 4. 7 2s are 14. 4. Balance 1 you will write it here. 3. Balance 1 you will add. And 134. 7 2s are 14. You will multiply this number alone by 2. 7 2s are 14. Balance 1. That you can add here. Add, you can get the value. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1. Again you put 1 dash. Again you put 1 dash. So 134. Last number is 5. So you multiply by 5. Get the answer. See here. I will do it here. See. 1, 3, 4, 5 into 5. 1, 3, 4, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 4 5s are 20. 22. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1. 15 plus 2. 17. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 5 4s are 20. 22. Balance 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2. 17. 6 7 2 5. So 6 7 2 5. So what is the number you have chosen? 5. Here also 5. So the answer is 0. So the square root of this number is nothing but what? 675. The square root of this number is 675. See, 75 plus or minus square root of this number is 675. We already seen by 200. You separate the values now. T equal to 75. 75 plus 675 by 200. 75 plus 675 by 200. T equal to 75 minus 675 by 200. 75 minus 675 by 200. So T equal to, you added 675, 75. 675, 75, 10, 14, 115, 750. Okay, 14, 115, 5 plus 5, 10. Balance 1, 7 plus 4, 7, 4, 14 plus 1, 15, 750. So T is 750 by 200. 750 by 200. T equal to minus 600 by 200. Minus 600 by 200. Cancel. What is the value you are getting here? T equal to minus 3. Here you should cancel. What is the cancel by 5 table? 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25. T equal to 15 by 4. If you divide that value, what is the value you are getting? 4 3s are 12. Balance 3. 3 point. Put here 0. 7 4s are 28. Balance 2. 20. So T equal to 3.75. T equal to 3.75. T equal to minus 3. Time cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative. So T equal to minus 3. Time cannot be, not acceptable, because time cannot be negative. So T equal to 3.75 seconds. T equal to 3.75 seconds.